Everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. I'll be doing a salmon patty, veggie patty, and I'm just thawing it out right now. And these are the vegetables that I will be using. They're frozen right now, but I'm going to go ahead and clean my fish with a lemon or lime, whichever you have, and also vinegar, but I didn't have any vinegar, so I just washed it off with the lemon. I squeezed the two halves in there, and no matter if it's fresh or frozen, I wash my vegetables really well. And this is the bag open, so you can see I got it from Vaughn's, and the water temperature is pretty normal temperature. I just wash everything off, make sure whoever touched it last, get the little stinky hands off of it. But anyways, that's what I do with all my products, all my food products, you guys. I make sure I wash them. And so I'm gonna go ahead and season mine with the organic black pepper. And also I love my turmeric, which is also organic. It's finishing up, but I will scrape every drop out of it. I already have another bottle waiting, and I just a dash of salt. I can't eat too much salt, so the better, healthier version, which is the sea salt, and a little dash of that. And of course, my Belizean secret, red Ricardo. That's the best. It helps turn the meat dark. We Belizeans, at least in my house, we don't like anything light. And so I flip the fish over and do a hint of everything on the other side. And this is just a quick way, guys, to get food ready and easy and simple and not dirty, where there's a lot of mess and grease flying all over the place. I'm going to take my food processor, which I love this product, you guys. It's my Ninja food processor, and I will go ahead and put all the vegetables inside. Already dried them off, put them inside, and also I will go ahead and put the fish I've already put inside. And this right here is a little mix that I make. Is onion, cilantro, and garlic. And I blend it with a little bit of water, and I season all my meat with that, and then let it sit overnight. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything together. And I'm just showing you here how once you lock it, it will be locked. That's how you lock it, but it won't, the Ninja won't start if it's not properly locked. That's what I love about it. And once you're blending it, you guys are crushing and blending, some of the top part will not reach, like right there, but that's okay. Just take it off and take your spatula, push it down a little bit, and then continue again. But for this, I don't like adding too much eggs because of too much protein. So I went ahead and used the breadcrumbs, not too much either. And that's the good thing about this patty, is that it'll don't play with it a lot so it doesn't fall apart. And so this is it already. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. When it's inside, I go ahead and blend the breadcrumbs with everything else, just to make it so I don't have to hand do anything. That's another thing. I don't have to mix anything, everything done in there. And this is the patty mix blend already together. And I'm gonna not necessarily heat up, I'm gonna heat up my indoor grill, and on the other side you could grill stuff, and the bottom catches the oil, whatever you have, and on the top you could do pancakes. But I do everything on this part, you guys, and already know settings for pretty much everything that I cook, which is about that right there. And I'm going to use a little bit of oil. I don't like cooking with too much oil, but this is just a little bit so that it doesn't burn too much. And right there's the holes that everything would go in if it has to fall off. So if you have too much oil, you could just push it in there and it'll catch it at the bottom. But for this, I just put a little bit, not too much, and I'm just going to spread it around a little bit. So it's, make sure your countertop is level when you using this indoor grill. It's awesome. I love it. And here goes my patty. I'm going to take a little bit, like a ice cream scoop, and take up a little bit. Actually, it took more than that. I made the patties. And I'll go ahead and put that on the grill, and don't play with it too much once it's on the grill, because you don't have too much stuff in there. I still didn't put a lot of breadcrumbs in there, so it doesn't fall apart, and it really didn't. Even though you had the little part right there, it didn't really fall apart. And I love that. It's really healthy. I made, I think, about 7 of them, and I ate 1 for lunch, which is my protein and my veggies, and 1 for dinner. I also my protein and my veggie. And I just close the lid so there's no splatter, no mess, and also keep the moisture in while you're cooking it, and let it sit for a little bit longer. And I really love this indoor grill, you guys. It's awesome. It fits on my counter, and I could just once it cools down, I just little bit of soap and water, and it's done. That's it. So I'm prepping my little fancy plate right there. Just kidding. No, nothing, nothing fancy, just my little plate. Put it on paper napkin on there to absorb the, whatever oil is there. And there you got it, guys. It could be my breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I didn't want to get too tired of eating it, so I made it my lunch and my dinner. So please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to share with other people. I just covered it up and save it for later. Bye bye now. And again, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get more of my videos. Who knows what will be next, you guys? So stick around. That's why it's my life on a hill. I live on a hill, and what I do, it's my life. Take care. Be kind, you guys. Be kind to others. And if you want to stay healthy and do away from carbs, this is it.